Hello, my name's Andy Pears from ICF Supplies, and I've been working within the construction industry for a little over 44 years now. And of those 44 years, I've actually been installing ICF for 23 years. And over that period of time, I've installed 14 different systems. So during this quickfire top tips item, I'll give you my best top tips. So first and foremost, choose your ICF system at the design stage and stick with it. And make sure that all the bits and pieces of that system are fit for your job. And make sure that it's just not a corner and a straight block. Choose an ICF supplier who offers full support as standard and not extra, so that you have full support from inception to completion. Don't rush into concreting too early, because things do take a lot longer than what you think. And remember, service penetrations. People always forget to put penetrations through the wall. Remember that you need to get gas, water, telecommunications and various other things into the building, and also you need to get foul water and various other things like ventilation through the wall. It's easier to put a sleeve in a wall than actually drill it out. And finally, don't believe all the tales of woe that are out there. They all make good television, and a lot of the websites, there are a lot of people with their own agenda and who have no credibility to what they're actually saying. So thank you for listening to this presentation, and please feel free to contact us here at ICF Supplies with any of your questions, and we'll be glad to talk you through the system and help you to the best of our ability, as we offer this support as standard. Thank you very much for listening.